Hello and welcome to today's video on the popular Japanese dish, ramen. Ramen is a staple dish in Japan that has become increasingly popular worldwide. Today we will be exploring the history of ramen, its different types, and how to make it at home. So, let's get started. Part 1, History of Ramen. Ramen's origins can be traced back to China, where it was known as la mian. In the early 20th century, Chinese immigrants brought their noodle-making techniques to Japan. Ramen began to gain popularity in Japan after World War II, and it has since become a cultural icon. Today, there are over 35,000 ramen shops in Japan, and it is widely enjoyed around the world. Part 2, Types of Ramen. There are many different types of ramen, each with its own unique flavor and style. Some of the most popular types include shoyu, made with soy sauce. This is the most traditional type of ramen. Miso, made with miso paste. This type has a rich and savory flavor. Tonkotsu, made with pork bone broth. This type is creamy and rich. Shio, made with salt. This type has a light and refreshing flavor. Tsukemen, the noodles are served separately from the broth and are dipped into the broth before eating. Part 3, How to make ramen at home. Now that we've covered the history and types of ramen, let's move on to making it at home. Here are the steps to make a delicious bowl of ramen. 1. Start by making the broth. You can use chicken, pork, or vegetable broth, depending on your preference. 2. Add aromatics like garlic, ginger, and green onions to the broth for added flavor. 3. Cook your noodles according to the package instructions. 4. Prepare your toppings. Some popular options include sliced pork, soft-boiled eggs, nori seaweed, and sliced green onions. 5. Assemble your ramen by placing the cooked noodles in a bowl and adding the broth and toppings. Conclusion, that's it for today's video on ramen. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history and different types of ramen and that you feel confident in making it at home. Let us know in the comments which type of ramen is your favorite and if you have any tips for making it at home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.